There are all sorts of creatures that live in our backyard, and our dog loves chasing all of them. Now, where's a squirrel? But out of all of them, the one thing she likes the most are the squirrels, because they like to come down and tease her from the top of our wall, and they live right up there. So I think I'm going to build a little picnic table for them to invite them a little lower so they can play. So I would make the bench out of this single piece of reclaimed pine that I have. It's about 6 feet in length, has a couple holes that I'm going to try to cut around, and this nasty knot that I'll be cutting out to start. So let me do some measuring and see if I have enough to get everything out of this one board. Hey, squirrely squirrelies. Hey, squirrely squirrelies. Don't know where they are. Thought they'd be here by now. Let me try to find some squirrels. Episode. I hope you enjoyed it. We have a lot of other videos on the channel that I think you'll enjoy. If you're in a position to do so, we have a Patreon. You can help out the channel and give to us directly, or we have a merch shop with some t-shirts and other items with unique designs that you also might like. This video is part of the Make Geeks 30 and 30 that I'm doing with my good friends Wes from Geeksmithing and Donovan from Once Upon a Workbench, where we're trying to put out as many videos as we can in the month of June. So make sure that you follow them for some great content. So in the meantime, don't forget to design, make, and play, and I'll see you in the next video.